Okay, this is kind of absurd, but you know what? I have to do it anyway. This is all sickening and it's insane, but I have to play the little America's government and all of their little coronavirus game with them. So, but nevertheless, I am prepared. As you can see here, I have my gloves. This is a hospital grade antiviral wipes. They're very strong and they're for like emergency rooms and hospital. We got them from someone here. And there's our other wipes, peroxide. This little gadget you see right here, you wear that. That's a clip-on. That protects you from any type of virus, coronavirus, any virus. And you wear this on you. You wear it on your body. And this is just a refillable. And then you have your peroxide. And this stuff here, I'm not sure why Trump would call all the beauty shops to be closed unless it's a personal attack on me. Because beauty salons, we are qualified in this area. And we are kind of like experts with sanitation and antiviral stuff. And if anything, he should have kept beauty shops open if everything is true. He should have kept absolutely the beauty salons and the barbershop open because we're the only ones that protect you from I ain't gonna say we're the only ones, but we are specialized in the area to protect you from viruses. Now this is just stuff we keep around our beauty shops anyways. I bought this when I first got here. You see this here? So this kind of stuff we have to have in our shops. And we put it here. We sanitize. We use it for our combs. We stick our combs in there. You put some in your spray bottle and you sanitize everything. This is another antiviral stuff. And so we have our first aid kit. And it has a lot of these here, like sanitized wipes and hospital wipes and gloves and different things in there as well. And so again, it don't really make sense. Why would he say shut down all beauty and barbershops other than the fact that he don't want the traffic to come through? But a lot of other stores are open and they have traffic coming through. I mean, stores and I think we are more sanitized in the stores and the gas stations and other places like that. We would be more. This would be salon would be a safer place to come than the stores and the gas station as far as viruses would be concerned. And not only that, if a chaos broke out, then beauty shops and cosmetologists and barbers should have been some of his first picks because again, we have to take these. We are qualified and trained in this area. But this is just stuff that we have around the shop. But this is some personal stuff, and I did buy a couple extra things because I'm not sure what his game is, and I have to be prepared all the time because I'm bringing a suit against Donald Trump, Catherine, and some of the other states here in Nevada. So I know the extremes that they will take. Just to prevent me from making money since I'm self-employed. I don't have one of those jobs that they can fire me from. All they can do is keep rerouting all my phone calls and make sure my clients don't get in touch with me that way. And so he would concoct all of this just to prevent. He's stopping me from the money that the courts already approved me. And so now I'm just here at the salon making money. And now he's trying to stop me from making money at the shop, him and Catherine. That way I don't pursue the case. As you can see here. So this is all about Samaya, them trying to block and stop me from making money so that I can stop pursuing this case. I had a court date coming up. They said all this stuff is closed down. It was just for a traffic ticket that I brought forward. So I know he's going to try to do some little do us a little trickery there too. It was just a little traffic ticket that I refused to pay for because of just harassment. So I asked for it to go to trial, and then it's coming up in a day or two so as well on Monday. And so it's just for a couple dollars traffic ticket. And so I'm waiting to see what he's going to do there. Trump, other than that, when I got here May of 2019, my record was squeaky clean. I had it checked a few times. I tried to rent an apartment and the lady said she had to run a criminal background check. Everything come back fine. It come back perfect and fine. So, but I have to say that because I know, the first thing politicians want to do when you go up against them, especially presidents and senators and different things like that, that's the first thing they do is use the government funds, money, office, and our taxpayers' dollars to try to fight instead of them allowing me to exercise my constitutional right. They know I have so much dirt on them, so all they could do is just keep trying to block me instead of allowing me to bring this case forward. Now what Trump did do is try to use a fictitious case and arrested a whole bunch of federal agents in Florida using my information for a fake case and brought forth the case in Florida so he could steal the money. But all of that is fake, and I'm not accusing those federal agents. My case has not went forward, and it do have something to do with federal agents. Perhaps they may come out, but I'm not accusing them. I have a case in Las Vegas that's called Hodges versus Cortez XL, and it has nothing to do with those federal agents in Florida. But sometimes they create false cases just to steal the money from a false case, and that's what Trump did with the case in Florida. That was a fake case in which he's trying to steal funds from that particular case. So in other words, if my case must be awful serious for them to block me and stop me and keep having all these fictitious names and alias names instead of allowing me to bring my case forward. The judge ordered them to pay me emergency funds. The courts ordered them to pay me my legal fees because I've been working on this for a long time. Ordered them to pay me my legal fees, and I'm my own attorney as well as a victim, so they should have gave me victim rights funds. I asked for a restitution. I asked for the summary judgment. I held them in contempt of court and a civil contempt. So all kinds of ways, and I asked for for them to loan me money from the order. Just all kind of ways in which they should have given me funds. And Trump is blocking every dime. So he's going to the extreme now by this, believe it or not, concocting all this here mess about this here coronavirus for beauty and barbershops, particularly just for Samaya. Now, I wonder who these people think I am for all of them, the entire Congress to go up against little bitty old me. Who do y'all think I am, Donald Trump? Allow me my funds, my constitutional rights. I just a couple of days ago appealed to the People's Court because government ain't running nothing. No, government is not running. I am accusing government. So sure, government are using all of their office illegal and unconstitutional and criminally. I am filing charges against a lot of members of Congress. So sure, they have a lot of political influences. They have access to stuff that they shouldn't have. So I have to protect myself because I am protecting myself from Congress. I am protecting myself from Trump. I'm protecting myself against Catherine Cortez, who stole the office as senator because she was already accused of murder in 2014. And according to the Constitution, it's just a fact and it's public information, but according to the Constitution, she was not supposed to have been a senator because she's supposed to have lost all of her privileges and rights when it came down to government. And then the DNC, as you heard them say with the dossier papers, the DNC paid for Trump to be in office because Trump had dirt on them. So he paid for Trump, and so Trump stole that office. So all of this here is unconstitutional. Trump don't want it to get out, and that's why he's attacking me per se, a beauty shop person, and preventing me from work. So to my clients out there, I love y'all. If y'all can, come and patronize me just as soon as this little fake coronavirus is over. And know that I do love you. I am here working, but I am up against a beast. So I'll talk to you guys later, but I do love you. Y'all come out and support me whenever you can, please.